Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 2nd, 2022. Let's talk about Tattoo Chef because you guys can see that we got earnings coming up on March the 9th. And I haven't done a price prediction into the market in Tattoo Chef because I told you all on my last video, which was on November 28th, that don't expect anything to happen. Like the market was just completely dead, that the market was anticipated to go up. And that's pretty much been the case since November the 28th, right? We saw price continue to go down in Tattoo Chef. Well, before the earnings come up, I want us to pay attention to what has occurred so far in Tattoo Chef so that we can get in position prior to the earnings and possibly capitalize on this market. Because if the market is still weak, then we need to continue to expect price to go down. But if we're seeing buyers, if we're seeing the market trying to come through and buy Tattoo Chef, then we need to come back in and buy the market right alongside with them. So before I get started, make sure if you all appreciate the content, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification because you want YouTube. This is one of those actual situations where you want YouTube to notify you of whenever I upload my price predictions to this platform. You need to do that. All right. So now look at this. You have people telling you all to hold the stock for 5 years, right? Okay. When the market in Tattoo Chef, it seemed to look like this was a SPAC, okay? Because it started SPACing around 2017. But here, 2020, you can see here that the price in Tattoo Chef started around $10. Price went up to 28. That's 175% run. Yeah, this is how this game is played. If you saw a stock go from $10.40 or 30 cents to $28, $29, why would you not take the profit? That's 175%. Why would you try to sit and hold the play for 5 years? This is 175% run. It doesn't make any sense. Unless you can convince me that Tattoo Chef is going to give you more than 175% in the next 5 years, then yeah, you should have taken the profit right there. It doesn't matter about time horizon. It matters about how much profitability you want to make. Because now, if you bought the market in Tattoo Chef up here around 28, you're now down 55%, right? And in order for you to just to break even, Tattoo Chef will now have to increase 122%. You see that? That is why entrance into the market is very important. These YouTubers want you all to hold for the long-term plays. No, you should have bought back here in 2020, sold here at the end of 2020. It's just that simple, 175%. Yeah, you won. Right? This is how you win in the market. You don't win by hoping and wishing that over the next 5 years, the market is going to continue to do this. This is what people think stocks do. Every market does not act this way. Every market does not just go up in 5 years continually. There's only a very select few markets that actually does that. Tattoo Chef doesn't look like it's going to be that market. Now, let's get back focused though. All right, let's see. I want to identify, first of all, I'm going to take this horizontal line all the way up here and I'm going to bring it down here now, because we understand that this is where the buyers are at. Okay, the buyers are here because they was able to support the price in Tattoo Chef. Okay, now the next thing we need to determine is, okay, we see where the buyers are at. Where are the sellers? I think we need to focus our attention on the sellers right here around like 1350. Okay, let me see. Let me zoom in to see if we can find out where the sellers are at. That would be the first area, 1350. The second area would be like around 15. Okay. I want you all to see this. This is the 5-day time frame. Every 5-day price bar, every price bar you see is 5 days worth of price action. Look at this. Let me circle all these 5-day price bars. I want you all to tell me, what do you think is going on right here? What do you think is actually going on into the market in Tattoo Chef? People selling, or do you think people are buying? Right? We got to make this simple and easy. There's only two things that you will ever do in any market. That is buy, the other is sell. So every price bar we see is a mixed combination of both. At some points, you see one or the other outdo the next, right? This particular situation right here, the sellers outdid the buyers right there. Okay. They won. The sellers won on that 5-day price action price bar. But now look at these other 5-day price bars. The market here in Tattoo Chef is selling, right? You guys can see it, but the price is not reacting to price going lower. When you see selling, price supposed to go down, right? That's the first thing you need to think about, is price going down. Well, it hasn't done that over the last 5-day price bars. So that's a total of what, 25 days? This market in Tattoo Chef has not gone down. It's been trading this way. This can only mean that the buyers are trying to buy up this stock, especially after you saw the price dip the way that it has since last year. So what we're seeing is an indication that the market is buying right now, right? This is what we're seeing. Now, 1350 is our first problem. For those looking to increase Tattoo Chef stock, $13.50 is going to be an issue. This is where I suspect the sellers are at. Okay. So if we're going to play the strength into the market in Tattoo Chef, guess what? We don't want to overstay our welcome. So we might need to take the profitability at 1350. That's almost 7.5%, right? Especially when you see the market in a massive downtrend. This is not the point and the time to be greedy. That's the first area right there. I like the 5-day price time frame for us to see the market in Tattoo Chef go up. This is it on the 2-day. A 3-day. What about on the 2-day time frame? I like it here on the 2-day as well in Tattoo Chef, right? Weekly time frame, 2 weeks time frame, and then the monthly. You guys can see right here on this monthly price bar on May 1st, 2020. Yeah, we might just see the market go up there to $13.25. So let me show you all what I suspect. Get this back over to the daily, because I'm going to play some strength here into the market in Tattoo Chef. Okay, I am going to expect the price to go up. First price target is right there around 1350. It might fall short. I understand 1325. I get it, but that's the first location. Okay, now let's say the earnings comes out on March 9th and it blows out expectations. This will be the cause as to how high price is going to go. I'm just here to let you know that now. Like, the market is getting prepared for that. So when this earnings release comes out, it's not because of what was said or what the report was of the earnings for Tattoo Chef. It was what led up to it, that causes the volatility, that causes the price to move in certain directions drastically. Okay, so this is the first area, 1350. My second area is going to be around 14. Okay, right there around $14 could be my second area. I'm hesitant of bringing it up here to $15 because I really don't see that right now. So let me bring it back down. I'm just going to do $13.50 and $14, but if the strength continues, yeah, I can see the market in Tattoo Chef hitting 15. All right, Yeah, so let me get this back over to the daily, zoom it in so you all can see what I'm looking at. We got $13.50, $14 around that area that we're looking for Tattoo Chef to go up. All right, be careful of this level. I just saw this. This can be a restriction line right here. Okay, the market in Tattoo Chef was restricted and going up at that level, so be prepared for that too. All right, I'm done. Let me know, what is your price target, your price prediction into the market for Tattoo Chef? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? What do you think? Make it simple. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.